Hello everyone, welcome to Chat For Biz, your all-in-one WhatsApp API solution. If you want to automate communication, send bulk messages, manage customer chats, and grow your business using WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Let's see how Chat For Biz can transform your communication process. So, what is Chat For Biz? Chat For Biz is a Meta-approved WhatsApp business API provider designed to help businesses connect with customers faster, smarter, and more professionally. With a verified business profile, high message delivery rates, and powerful automation tools, Chat For Biz helps you build trust and increase conversions. Whether you are a startup, growing business, or enterprise, Chat For Biz is built for you. Now, let's jump into the dashboard overview. Once you log in, you will land on the Chat For Biz dashboard. Here, you can see important details like your WhatsApp API status, quality rating, and daily messaging quota. Your quality rating is very important. It shows how customers respond to your messages. Keeping it high helps you reach more users. You will also see your business profile details like your number, brand name, description, and profile image, exactly how customers see you. Along with that, you also get detailed performance data like total contacts in your database, total message templates created, messages sent today, and total messages sent this month. Here on the left side, you have a floating three-dot icon. Once you tap it, the complete menu will slide open like this. Live Chat Dashboard. In Chat For Biz, customer chats are organized in a simple flow, so your team can manage every message properly. Whenever a customer sends a message to your business, the conversation first appears in Requesting Chats. To start handling the conversation, simply click Intervene button. The chat will then move to Intervened Chats, where you can communicate directly with the customer and provide assistance in real time. If the conversation needs to be handled by someone else, you can easily transfer the chat to another salesperson or department, making sure the customer reaches the right person at the right time. Once the customer's request has been taken care of, simply click Resolve. The conversation will then move to Active Chats, where it remains available for any follow-up or quick reference. After 24 hours, the chat is automatically moved to Chat History. Chat History. In the Chat History section, you can view all your customer conversations in one place, making it easy to track every interaction. On the left side, you will see the complete list of chats. By selecting any contact, the full conversation will appear in the center. On the right side, you can check detailed customer information, status, and activity. This helps your team respond faster and manage conversations more efficiently. Contacts and smart management. In Chat For Biz, managing your contacts is simple, fast, and well organized. From the Contacts section, you can view all your customer details in one place, including customer name, mobile number, tags, source, status, and available actions. If you want to add a new customer manually, you can simply click Add Contact and save the customer details. If you already have a large customer list, you can use the Import option to upload contacts in bulk using a CSV file. This helps you add hundreds or thousands of contacts quickly without entering them one by one. You can also search for any customer easily using the Search option. If you want to find contacts based on specific details, you can use filters to sort and manage them better. Chat For Biz also allows you to organize contacts using tags. For example, you can group customers as marketing leads, ad leads, organic leads, follow-up customers, or existing customers. The source column helps you understand where each contact came from, such as manual entry, ads, or organic inquiries. This makes it easier to track your leads and understand which channel is bringing more customers. Bulk messaging. With Chat For Biz, sending bulk messages to your customers becomes simple, organized, and professional. From the Campaigns section, you can view all your campaigns in one place. You can check the campaign name, campaign type, created date, audience count, status, and actions. A broadcast campaign is useful when you want to send messages to a selected group of customers, such as offers, promotions, announcements, reminders, or business updates. An API campaign is useful when you want to send automated messages through system integration, like OTP messages, order updates, booking confirmations, or other automated notifications. To create a campaign, the process is very simple. Let's click on the broadcast campaign. First, you need to select the campaign type, then type your campaign name. After that, you can use the pre-approved message templates. Pre-approved message templates are messages that are already approved for sending through WhatsApp. Next, select your target audience. Chat For Biz allows you to filter customers based on last seen, created date, opt-in status, incoming blocked status, read status, and other attributes. This helps you send messages only to the right customers. After selecting the audience, you can create your message by choosing one of your pre-approved templates. You can also add media, such as images, if the template supports it. On the same screen, you can preview how the message will look to the customer before sending. You can also test the campaign before launching it. By entering a test mobile number, you can send the message to yourself or your team and check if the content, media, and formatting are correct. Finally, after reviewing the message, audience, and campaign details, you can send the campaign. Flow Builder. With Chat For Biz Flow Builder, you can create automated chat flows in a simple visual way. Instead of replying to every customer manually, you can build a flow that automatically guides customers step by step based on their needs. The flow starts with a trigger. A trigger is the starting point of the automation. For example, when a customer sends a keyword or starts a chat, the flow will begin automatically. After that, you can add different components like text messages, images, videos, documents, location, button messages, list messages, user input, and conditions. Each component has a purpose. You can send a welcome message, ask the customer to choose a service, show available options, collect customer details, share PDFs, or connect the customer to a salesperson. The best part is that everything can be connected visually. You can drag and drop the components, connect them with lines, and create a complete conversation flow without coding. Settings and configuration. In Chat For Biz, the Manage Settings section helps you control and configure your entire system from one place. Here, you can manage all the important settings needed for campaigns, live chat, team management, customer organization, and integrations. First, you can create and manage template messages. These templates are used to start conversations with customers on WhatsApp. You can choose the template category, select the language, enter the template name, choose the template type, and add your message content. You can also add optional header text, footer text, or interactive actions like call to action buttons, quick replies, or copy code. Once the template is created, it must be approved by Meta. After Meta approves the template, it will be added to your pre-approved templates in the campaign settings, and you can use it to send messages to customers. Next, you have opt-in management. This helps you manage customer preferences. You can set opt-in and opt-out keywords so customers can choose whether they want to receive messages from your business or not. This helps your business communicate with customers in a more proper and organized way. In live chat settings, you can configure welcome messages, off-hour messages, and working hours. For example, when a customer messages during working hours, they can receive an automatic welcome. If they message after working hours, they can receive an off-hour reply, letting them know when your team will be available. You can also create canned messages. These are ready-made quick replies that your team can use during customer chats. Instead of typing the same reply again and again, agents can send saved responses quickly and save time. The Agents section helps you manage your team members and control their access. For agents, only limited access is available. They can access the homepage, live chat, and chat history. This allows them to handle customer conversations and check previous chat records. Managers have overall access to the system. This access control helps your business keep the system organized and secure. Agents can focus on customer communication, while managers can control and manage the complete Chat For Biz platform. With tags, you can organize your contacts based on customer interest, service type, campaign source, or follow-up status. This makes it easier to segment customers and send targeted messages. CRM or ERP integration. You can integrate Chat for Biz with your CRM or ERP system. You can send invoices, order updates, and payment links directly to your customer's WhatsApp. Everything becomes faster, smoother, and more efficient. Chat for Biz pricing. Chat for Biz gives you everything you need in one simple plan. It starts at just 8 KD per month or 80 KD per year with a one-time onboarding fee of 30 KD. No hidden charges. And here is the best part. Chat for Biz is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS, so you can manage chats, run campaigns, and stay connected with your customers anytime, anywhere. You will also receive instant push notifications whenever a new lead or message comes in, so nothing gets missed and you can respond quickly. Ready to transform your business with WhatsApp? Start using Chat for Biz today and take your customer communication to the next level. Thank you.